The Johari Window is a psychological tool created by Joseph Luft and Harry Ingham in 1955. It's a simple and useful tool for understanding and training self-awareness. This is a really good model to use because of its simplicity and also because it can work really well in the workplace. Here is a diagram of the Johari Window. In this example, we're going to talk about how the Johari Window works using you as an example of someone working in a team. In this instance, there are two factors at work within the Johari Window. The first factor is what you know about yourself. The second factor relates to what other people know about you. The model works using 4 area quadrants. Anything you know about yourself and are willing to share is part of your open area. Individuals can build trust between themselves by disclosing information to others and learning about others from the information they in turn disclose about themselves. Any aspect that you do not know about yourself but others within the group have become aware of is in your blind area. With the help of feedback from others, you can become aware of some of your positive and negative traits as perceived by others and overcome some of the personal issues that may be inhibiting your personal or group dynamics within the workplace. There are also aspects about yourself that you are aware of but might not want others to know. This quadrant is known as your hidden area. This leaves just one area and is the area that is unknown to you or anyone else, the unknown area. The balance between the 4 quadrants can change. You might want to tell someone an aspect of your life that you had previously kept hidden. For example, maybe you are not comfortable speaking in public or in large groups. This would increase your open area and decrease your hidden area. It is also possible to increase your open area by asking for feedback from people. When feedback is given honestly to you, it can reduce the size of your blind area. For example, maybe you interrupt people before they have finished making their point, which can cause frustration. Alternatively, people may want to talk to you because you are a good listener. Sometimes you don't realise these aspects of your character until they are pointed out. By working with others, it is possible for you to discover aspects that neither of you may ever have appreciated before. Some examples of unknown factors can be as follows. A stress that you have that others are unaware of, for example, missing deadlines. An ability that you have that is underestimated, possibly through a lack of opportunity, confidence or training. An unknown illness. Repressed or subconscious feelings. For example, in a work setting, an employee's contact with their boss may help them understand how their experiences both in and out of work can have an impact on their performance. This discovery about themselves would reduce the size of their unknown area. Let's look at its use. From a practical point of view, in implementing the Johari Window, it is useful to go through these 2 steps. Step 1. The place to start in the Johari Window is in the open area. Make some notes about yourself. What are your strengths and what are your weaknesses? What are you comfortable with and willing to share with others? Try and be honest and clear about what you know about yourself already. Step 2. Involve other people and ask for their feedback about yourself. You must be prepared to listen and consider what others say about you. And make sure you acknowledge and thank the other person for their perspective and effort. Ultimately, you are aiming to expand into your hidden area so you can develop greater communication and leadership skills. And using the Johari Window is a perfect starting point.